Have you ever felt heavy, numb, or like everything you used to enjoy suddenly feels meaningless? That feeling isn't laziness, and it isn't weakness. It could be depression. What is depression? Depression is more than just feeling sad. It's a mental health condition that affects your thoughts, emotions, energy, and even your body. People with depression often experience persistent sadness or emptiness, lack of interest in things they used to enjoy, fatigue or low energy, changes in sleep or appetite, feelings of worthlessness or guilt. It doesn't mean you're failing. It means your brain is under stress and your body is struggling to cope. 2. Stop pretending you're fine. Depression gets worse when you hide it. Suppressing your emotions increases stress and drains your energy. It's okay to admit, I'm not okay right now. Acknowledging your struggle is the first step to healing. 3. Talk to someone. You don't have to face depression alone. Share how you feel with a friend, family member, counselor, or therapist. Studies show that talking reduces emotional pain, calms the nervous system, and helps your brain process emotions. 4. Take one small step. Depression makes even simple tasks feel impossible. Pick one small thing to do today. Make your bed, drink water, step outside, open a window, walk for 5 minutes. Completing one tiny task creates momentum for your brain. Small wins matter. 5. Move your body. Your brain and body are connected. Even gentle movement, stretching, walking, or sitting outside releases chemicals like serotonin and dopamine that improve mood. You don't need a full workout. Just move, breathe, and let your body help your mind. 6. Avoid traps that make it worse. Depression tricks you into isolating, overthinking, endless scrolling, ignoring your body's needs. Try to notice these patterns and gently interrupt them. You don't have to be perfect, just aware. 7. Seek professional help. Therapists and counselors aren't just for crises. They teach strategies to manage thoughts, cope with emotions, and slowly rebuild your mental strength. Getting help early makes a big difference. 8. Be patient with yourself. Healing is slow and it's not linear. Some days feel better, some worse. Every small step counts. Remember, survival itself is strength. Every act of self-care is progress. Final message. If you're struggling, you are not weak. You are not a burden. You are simply a human facing a heavy challenge. Take one step, reach out, move your body, and remember, reaching for help is courage, not weakness. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.